Bryan's house. Amazing. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, Bruiser, I know. Bryan's trailer. Bryan! Where are you? It's way in there. Oh, I'm coming in! Oh, fuck.
Don't take this, please.
This is cool. What do you think's over there?
Huh?
Oh. That's cool.
Okay, here. Here, take this.
Watch here.
There's this one right here. Put that in your pocket.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I think the people that lived out here before us, all this shit was them. They sat here and tried to tear this shit out so they can fix it.
Okay.
Oh.
I'll be right back. Sexy man. What are you doing? Okay. Hey, Bruiser. What are you crying about? What are you doing? Sick 'em.